So I had Cushing's disease, which was an excess of cortisol in my body caused by multiple pituitary tumors. And Dr. Lewis operated on me using a minimally invasive surgical technique known as transsphenodial surgery. So he went through my nose to access my pituitary gland, which meant that my recovery was significantly less than previous versions of this surgery. I can say that I felt so much better after my surgery. I went through two surgeries. The first one, unfortunately, was unsuccessful, but the second one, when we were really able to isolate where the tumor was so successful afterwards. I felt so much better. I was up and walking within the first 2 hours of my surgery, and I knew that I was cured of my disease and that the future would be so much brighter for that. And my mom felt that way as well.
Yes, and I would just say that the team in all of its this Dr. Robert Lewis's team is fantastic and phenomenal. His level of skill that he's able to do the transsphenodial surgery made a world of difference with the recovery time and also minimal trauma to you as you yourself as far as recovery goes, and it's helped us with a brighter future. It's instilled a sense of hope, knowing that that we finally have a good diagnosis, a correct diagnosis, and we're looking brighter to the future.
Yeah,
sure.
I think we really saw a contrast between the previous care that I had received at other institutions versus the care that I received with Dr. Lewis. We went to several other institutions looking for a neurosurgeon that would help diagnose what my Cushing's disease and treat it. And every step of the way was an obstacle and a boundary that we just never expected. And so when we found Dr. Lewis and they took us in immediately, and he saw me and knew immediately what was going on and confirmed all of my instincts that I had that was going on, was such a refreshing perspective. And just the level of care here is amazing. You know, how caring and smart everyone is and experienced in their field, but you never feel that they're above you, or you never feel, their ego get the best of them. They are always there with you 100% of the way, supporting you and making sure that you are aware of what is going on and that you are knowledgeable as a patient, and really creates a team of people to help you.
Yeah, exactly. The team approach, I think, from the moment that you make that initial phone call to get the appointment through the whole entire pre-op process, to the actual appointment setting, to the surgery date. Janine has been phenomenal. The whole team has been. You know that you're in good hands when you come to Dr. Robert Lewis. Not only from a skill perspective, but also his compassion and his understanding of the disease, both having a great neurosurgical background, but also an endocrinological background, which helps with particularly with these pituitary adenomas.